As sales is a vital part of every business, let's dive into the first and most common application, the Salesforce automation. In sales, convenience helps in boosting productivity and therefore increasing profits for business. With the Salesforce automation application, all the data from the system will be loaded onto the application, which is a convenient platform for you to perform effective sales-related operations. So what do we get from this application? The Salesforce automation offers 4 functionalities including all products, all catalogs, dashboards, and sales performance. Inside the all products function, products can be searched by product name ascending or descending, price range, categories, and different filter options that can be tailored for each category or subcategory. Pricing and promotion programs can also be flexibly defined in advance. All of the mentioned things are done in the back-end system so that they can be automatically loaded on the app. Besides, we can add products to shopping carts and check product details. On the product details screen, you can see some general information of the selected product, such as name, price, origin, brands, packing, UOM, manufacture dates and expiration dates. Additional tabs and product attributes can be configured and added on the back-end system. Moreover, multiple product images can be uploaded for visual reference. Especially, sales orders management is a great feature that this Salesforce automation app has to offer. With this platform, you can quickly create a sales order and manage other related information directly on a tablet or any other mobile devices. Instead of having to create sales orders manually on the system, now sales orders can be automatically created on the app. And as soon as they are confirmed, real-time service will ensure that all data are continuously processed so that all the created sales orders will also simultaneously be updated on the D365 system. At the same time, sales orders can be created and confirmed into different scenarios. The first one is if the sales order exceeds the credit limit. The approver will receive an email to approve the sales order first. After the sales order has been approved, PowerApps will send the sales order information to Power Automate, which will create an order on D365 FO, and then send emails via Outlook to both salesperson and customer. The second one is in case the sales order doesn't exceed the credit limit. PowerApps will send the sale order information to Power Automate, which will create an order on the D365 FO, and confirmation emails will be sent directly to the salesperson and the customer. Also, visual advantage is a plus that comes with this application. It's so much easier now for your salespersons to find the correct products with a lot of images and check out product details immediately, so they can effectively consult customers on the products. This gives them a fast as well as convenient sales experience so that both sales productivity and profits of the business can be considerably improved. Apart from that, customers can view products in details and with visualization, and therefore quickly decide whether or not they want to order them, which will surely enrich customer experience. You can also check the sales order status, view details of the sales order, conduct return transactions, or even update payment status. With all these conveniences, sales orders can be managed effectively and efficiently. Inside the All Catalogs function, you can view different catalogs catered based on product categories, and also details of the products inside the catalogs. The dashboards function shows sales summary data taken from the sales performance table in the form of bar charts, which can be displayed by different criteria. Either sales performance for each month, or target for all sales teams, or target for all salespersons. With all the mentioned functionalities, the Salesforce automation application can surely boost sales productivity as well as increase profits for your business.